What is good, Tsla family? It's Ray J back with another video. And in this, I want to talk about the economic calendar real quick, break down what's going on with some news about Tesla. And I'm also going to be talking about how the share prices are looking. But let me first say two things. I'm firstly not a financial planner. Take nothing I say as financial advice. And don't forget about the Weeble link, which is down below and in the description. If you deposit $500, you're guaranteed up to 20 free stocks. Anyways, the market dips today because of PPI. This was a little bit harder than expected, and that's not good for inflationary data and CPI. But as time went on, at 10 a.m., we got the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report. And shortly after this came out, the market reversed and we saw a nice pump come out. And we're seeing Tesla pumping now, and so is SPY. So the Michigan data was as expected in terms of consumer sentiment, in terms of 5 year inflationary expectations. But the inflationary expectations for February are a little bit harder than expected. So that's a little negative. But besides that, everything else is fine. Tyler from the Fed is going to give a speech at 12:10 p.m. as well, so be prepared for that. Tesla's also been offering an accelerate Cybertruck delivery with a referral program. It basically sold out in a couple of hours. It's offered the Cybertruck reservation holders to accelerate their delivery through an award in its referral program. This is very important, and the way it works is very simple. Basically, a lot of people have reservations for the Cybertruck, and the company is trying to convert those reservations into orders, and it's been successful at doing so. It basically is slowly doing it over and over and over again. And now they revealed, a new referral program, and this is a new award to accelerate your delivery. The way it works is people redeem credits to accelerate their delivery. They're invited to configure and take delivery to their Foundation Series AWD or even the Cyber Beast within 45 days of redemption. And the way it works is the award will cost 30,000 credits, which is equivalent to referring 3 new car purchases. And within hours, the new award was sold out. It's not clear how many people were able to accelerate, but that's very, very important. This is going to help get more orders and help deliver them even faster, which is good for Tesla's sales and such. So it benefits both parties. So this is what they're trying to essentially do. You refer more people, get the credits, and then once you get them, you could just like accelerate your delivery time. So it's good for Tesla, good for the users and such. Now let's just break down these charts. SPY is trying to hold above the 5 minutes, 50 and 200 EMAs. If we hold above this, we're going to keep going, guys. 502 is going to be our next target. If it breaks 502, 503.5 is possible. We're pushing nicely. Let's see if we hold above 501.37. That's going to be a critical support. As long as we hold above this, we favor the bulls again. As I said in my video, there might be a dip because of the data, but watch for a bounce. This bounce happened 5 minutes after the Michigan data came out. That's why I called it out. And look at how it bounced. It went from 498 all the way up to 502 already. And SPY is starting to break out exactly as we predicted. And I told you that this data is going to be important. You can see how it affected the markets. How about Tesla? So I want to call out this inverse head and shoulders on Tesla, still looking nice. We're going to look at the small time frames for Tesla on the 5 minutes time frame. Tesla is attempting to fight the 50 EMA at 201.25. If we hold above this, we could be pushing to at least 202.5. Tesla could try to push there, but we're kind of shuffling there right now. We'll see if Tesla could break out. So far, it's still doing well, though. It's still green. Technically, we're still above 200. We're doing fine. Watch, excuse me. Watch support at 200. That's going to be critical support. If we lose that, our next support is this 198 to 197.5 zone. As of right now, we're watching resistance at the 50 EMA. If we break this, 202.5 is coming, and then above that, we could get closer to 205. Tesla is still bullish nonetheless. For the QQQ, we still look bullish. We're going to be watching resistance at 433.7. If that breaks, 434.6 is coming next, followed by 435. For support, watch 432.66. These are some tight levels. Then we have 430 below that. Overall, we're on a nice bounce trend. We got this nice little bounce here, which is starting to push up nicely. So far, so good. For Aapl, it's the same thing. This thing came down to 181.86, but we quickly got bought back up around 182. As I told you to watch and see if Apple's trying to base, and it's trying to base at 182. So watch resistance at 183.66. If that breaks, 184.5 is coming next. We're still holding up nicely. We have bullish potential. Nvda, in my opinion, is looking pretty good. It's testing resistance at 740. If that breaks, our next target is 742 and 745, and then 750. Got a nice little balance right here, nice accumulation structure. Looking pretty good. We could even push higher, so it still looks bullish. The market looks like it's trying to bounce. So we're going to be watching to see how well we hold our levels. Looking at Tesla, it's fighting right now at the 50 email. We'll see if Tesla can break this. So far, so good from Tesla. We'll be watching resistance. So the market has more upwards potential as long as we hold the levels I called out. Tesla's attempting to bounce. So far, so good. And the inverse head and shoulders like structure is valid. So going into next week, there is still more upside potential for Tesla, guys. My view has not changed. So far, so good. I want to make this video kind of quick. Have a good day. I'll be back in a couple of hours for another intraday update, and I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you for listening, and peace out.